Hello and happy Halloween, my friends. Welcome to all my new and returning subscribers to my Southern Kitchen, the 310th episode and the 9th episode of Ellen's Fall Baking Series 2019. I'm Ellen. Hope all you're doing well. I am very excited about this video. I am participating in the Halloween dessert collaboration with 5 other YouTubers. Dolores from the Baking Diva, Suzanne from Suzanne Columber Cake, Gino from Gino Hannes, Mitch and Phil from Kitchen Queers, and Brenda from Midnight Grammy's Homestead. I hope I'm saying that right. I have no idea what kind of dessert everybody's making, but it's going to be amazing. And I'll post a link to their channel along with their Halloween dessert recipe down below in the description box. For our collaboration, I'm going to make Halloween Cream Cheese Brownies. And my friends, these brownies are the bomb.com. They're going to be so delicious, chewy, mouth-watering, and as always, it is so simple and easy to make. And these brownies would be great to serve for your Halloween party. They are magnificent. Everybody will fall in love with these. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my Halloween recipes playlist for more recipes. So grab your cream cheese, your flour, and your cocoa powder sugar, because we're about to bake some Halloween cream cheese brownie magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright, my friends, the first step we're going to do is make the cream cheese filling. In my bowl, I have 1 8-ounce package of cream cheese that I'll let come to room temperature. And we're going to add in 1 jumbo egg, also at room temperature. 1/4 cup of white sugar. 1/2 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. And 1/4 teaspoon of pure almond extract. And we're going to cream all this until it's fluffy. Alright, my friends, now we're going to add in a few drops of orange food coloring. And we're going to blend this until it's well combined. Alright, my friends, this is what our cream cheese filling look like, nice and orange. So now we're going to set this aside while we work on the brownie batter. Alright, my friends, in my bowl I have 2 eggs at room temperature. We're going to add in 1/2 cup of canola oil, 1 tablespoon of fresh coffee. I'm using decaf, or you can use the original, and I let it cool, and 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. And using my fork, we're going to mix everything until it's well combined. And then we're going to set this aside while we work on the dry ingredients. Alright, my friends, in my large bowl, I have 1 cup of white sugar. And over here in this bowl, I have 1/2 cup each of self-rising flour and unsweetened cocoa powder. I'll post a link to my homemade self-rising flour down below in the description box. We're going to stir these dry ingredients together until it's nice and well incorporated. Alright, my friends, now we're going to add the wet into the dry. And stir all this in until it's combined. And we're going to reserve 1/4 cup of the batter. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish stirring the brownie batter, and I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, the brownie batter is done. Smells good and chocolatey. Alright, that was great. So now we're ready to pour it into the pan. We're going to pour it in the 9x 13-inch long baking dish that lined with parchment paper, or you can spray it. Alright, my friends, I got the brownie batter into the pan. So now we're going to take our cream cheese filling that we made earlier. Going to gently pour it on top, like so. Going to spread it gently. And then we're going to take our brownie batter that we reserved. Just going to spoon the dollop right on top. And using the bread knife, just going to gently spread like this. We're going to create swirls. Alright, my friends, now we're ready to put our brownies in the oven. We're going to put it in the preheated 350-degree oven, and we're going to let them bake for about 30 to 35 minutes. Alright, I'll bring you back. Alrighty, my friends, I have taken my brownies out of the oven. It smells amazing up in this kitchen. Look at that pretty orange and brown color. Alright, so now I'm going to let the brownies cool completely. Alright, my friends, the brownies is nice and cool, and I cut them into squares. And before I put them on the tray, I want to share with y'all my jack-o'-lantern shaped platter. Don't that look pretty? Alright, now it's time to put the brownies on them. Alright, my friends, there you have it. Halloween cream cheese brownies. Don't they look divine? These definitely capture the Halloween spirit. Alright, now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Ooh, look at that. See that texture? Soft. Mmm. Tender. I love the cream cheese filling on top. So rich. Decadent. These are incredible. This deserves another bite. Cream cheese brownie-licious. Wow, what an amazing Halloween collaboration. Thank you again, Deloitte, for inviting me. It was a blast. And again, I'll post a link to everybody's channel and to their Halloween dessert recipe down below in the description box. And many thanks so much for watching and joining me in my Southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I do appreciate it. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And I'll see y'all on the next video. Let's eat and have a wonderful, safe, happy Halloween.